Happy fall and welcome to Halloween card number 6. I hope you guys are doing well, and today we're sharing a very cute Halloween card. And usually I don't do cutesy, but today it's a cutesy card, so I hope you guys like. Here we go. So I started with this stencil, and it's called Watercolor Wash Freeform, and it's from MFT. And I'm going to use my pixie spray to adhere the stencil to my piece of white cardstock, so we can do some distress ink coloring. So the first color we're starting with is mustard seed, and we're going to have the three colors going down our stencil. So we have mustard seed, and the one in the middle is peacock feathers, and the one to your left will be picked raspberry. And these are some not so Halloween not so Halloween colors, but I love them together. And as you can see, when you overlap the colors, we have a different color forming in between, which is cool. So we can see a little green between the blue and the yellow, a little purple between the pink raspberry and the blue color. For image today, we're using the stamp set from MFT again, and this one is called "Which Way Is to Which Way Is the Candy?" And I love that witch image, and we stamped her on some watercolor cardstock, and we're going to use our watercolors to color her up. So enjoy some music as I color. I ended up matching the perfect color to the picked raspberry distress ink, and this color is from our very inexpensive watercolor from Amazon. Once I finished with my image, I fussy cut the image out. And as you can see, I added some black soot distress ink around my stencil color shape. And I use my dynamic stitch rectangles to cut out my background piece. And we're using these sentiment strips. I think they call sentiment strips from Samus Stamp, and this one is the Halloween set. And I cut out some sentiments, two of the sentiments that says, "Hey there, beautiful, happy Halloween." And I also colored this pumpkin from the stamp set right here. And we're going to add it to the scene also. So we add our main image. But before I had adhere it all the way down, I'm going to add my pumpkin to the back like so. And then add my sentiments. That big red dot is a paperweight. I'm just adding it to as weight on while my image dries. Then I use my T square ruler to ensure that my sentiment is straight. Then I wanted our little colored area to seem like it's popping off of the page. So I used a black gel pen and just went around the colored area, and to me it seems like it's popping off the screen, kind of dimensional. And I just added some adhesive dots and add some shimmer to her outfit. If you turn it to the side, you see her hat and her cape and the pumpkin. And that's it for card number 6. So I hope you enjoyed the card. I actually love this one, and I'm trying to see if I could do at least 10 or more cards this season. And I have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to share in my hauls and stuff that I got. And hope you guys will join me. So I'll see you next time. Bye.